Domino ships with AutoML, based on the FAST library for automated machine learning and tuning, or FLAML, and numerous foundation models. This AutoML integration finds accurate models or configurations with low computational resources for common ML and AI tasks. It can create algorithms with different supervised learning techniques, such as random forest and gradient boosting, and will let you compare different models and hyperparameters, labeling the best performer based on your chosen metrics. Data scientists aren't locked into using this tool. They can get started with any open source tool they prefer, or use our integrations with commercial products, including DataRobot, SAS, H2O, and MATLAB. For deep learning, we have a number of PyTorch and TensorFlow examples, and our foundation models quickly bring in various pre-trained models and set up the fine-tuning for NLP and computer vision tasks. Our environments also bake in tools for reinforcement learning, including Ray, Keras, and OpenAI Gym, among others. For explainability, we integrate with vendors such as Fiddler and Arise AI, and also include a toolbox in our templates with options for model fairness and error analysis, interpretability, and data exploration options, such as counterfactual analysis and data balance.